Corey, my entire life has been comprised of one goal: to become the ultimate Disney princess. And for the first 22 years of that life, I dreamt about finding my perfect Prince Charming. Little did I know that I'd find him in northern Michigan, the bunny killer of Benzie County. But despite your tendencies to eat these cute and fuzzy little things, I have also discovered your genuine heart, your everlasting kindness, and the purity of soul with which you conduct all of your days. These past 5 years with you have been filled with adventures and an omnipotent, fulfilling love than ever I could imagine. Page 2. You have so much grace and compassion in everything that you do, and anyone who is lucky enough to be with you is graced with your warmth and your golden heart. You continue to make me a better person, and for the rest of my life, I promise to love and support you with all that I am. Similarly, I promise to try to stop stealing your chips and eating the whole bag. I promise to learn how to share my donuts instead of demanding that you get your own. I promise to pretend to like country music and to start cleaning my hair out of the drain. But most of all, I promise to love you in every moment, every thought, and every fiber of my being. I will forever be your rock, your best friend, and your support. In every sense of the word, you have become my home, and I will spend the rest of my life loving you forever and always. Don't cry. You're crying too.
It sealed itself from being wet. I had to protect it. Okay. See if I can keep it together. My first and foremost vow is that I, Corey Joseph Lamonda, I got it. I promise to you that I will love, respect, and cherish you to the day that I die and beyond. You are my soulmate. I promise to share my emotions, my secrets, my insecurities, my dreams, and my life with you. I promise to support and nurture you in times of illness of all forms to the fullest extent of my being. I promise to be strong for you and our family, and to protect you from anything that may cause you harm or heartache or pain. I promise to continue to open doors for you, to offer my hand to help you, and to keep dating you as long as we live. I promise to let the woman I love be who she is, like she allows me to be who I am. I promise to always pursue your happiness, because if I'm being completely honest, that means that I'm going to be happy too. I vow to be the best husband to you that the world could have to offer.